No, ma'am. 2-3 minutes.
Finish. Okay. Okay.
तो मैं बोलूँ क्या? थोड़े एक दो पॉइंट है
हाँ
मेरे
बोलो.
पास।
Yes, tell me.
मैम आप मैं आफ्टर एज मैम मैं आई इट्स माय पर्सनल व्यू अबाउट माय आफ्टर आई फिनिशिंग माय बीटेक degree that
Okay.
earlier I was very zealous about the about that I am getting job now, and when I selected I feel very strong like that. I mm, um, doesn't able to uh, leave where I got job, especially in Jaipur. There it was nearby a village where the lifestyle is very different, especially in living style and in by we can see by food. I am not able to set over there,
Okay.
and their environment also is different in the in company and in
Okay.
outside inside the village. So that I feel sometimes alone
Okay.
and different kind of all over people over there. And
Mhm.
ma'am, next one, the we have as we firstly live in college, in college life, college student life, where we are free to live by our own mind. Whatever we want we can do, but
Mhm.
uh, firstly when we get placed, we get various problems, like we have to work under some trainers. But when the trainers are teach like your head show their power, then we feel we we are like prisoner, and we have
Mhm.
to work under their pressure, and then also
Okay.
we don't feel well. And this
Okay.
o- um, uh, there in company many people
Mhm.
over there we have lots of experience, like 4 5 year 10 year our in various
Okay.
companies also, and they feel they always try to feel that they are great from you, and you have to learn
Mhm.
work under them. And
Mhm.
when we saw that the everyone is already
Mhm.
very much uh, we can say, very much
Every
experienced,
month.
educated, and having lots of knowledge than uh,
Okay.
मैं
Okay.
हम अपने आप को पीछे समझते हैं इस चीज का भी we feel
We
like
think
that.
ourselves. We think ourselves that we are lacking behind. That we are lacking behind.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. We feel ourselves that we are
Okay.
lacking behind. That's all.
Okay. Sachin. Okay. Good. Sachin. Finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to talk about the
Mhm.
topics obstacle gives rise to opportunity. First,
Mhm.
we go to historical concept like many personalities like Ambedkar, MK Gandhi, Bhagat Singh feel in their life many obstruction
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
fight for their solution and get success.
Mhm. Mhm.
Thereafter, in defense sector of India. In before
Mhm.
China war, India neglect its defense
Neglected.
security,
Mhm.
neglected defense
Okay.
security, and after war, India decided
Mhm.
to invest in defense to for security reason, and as a result,
Mhm.
we won the war in Pakistan, with Pakistan in 1965. Also in nuclear weapon, first America has single-handedly nuclear weapon, and all world fear of his power, and gradually all country, whether secretly and whether secretly और एंड मैम खुलेआम को क्या बोलते हैं?
openly
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 And
open
secretly or openly got opportunity to develop nuclear weapon, and secondly Russia, thereafter China, and many countries developed. Similarly in science and technology, all this happen as a like first, before modern eras, ship are dominant, water ship are dominant in for trade. Thereafter need to for time reduction, scientists developed and industry developed aeroplane, and currently of corona obstruct economic activity of countries, many countries. Therefore it also give opportunity to industry to tackle corona and boost economic activity. And as a conclusion, we know necessity is the mother of the invention. If anyone obstruct, it give necessity to tackle. That's all, man.
Very good. Nivedita? Sangeeta?
Yes, ma'am.
Nivedita, yes. Finished?
One minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I have given you an idiom. The grass is not greener on the other side. Okay. So you have to speak on this. Means every thing is not as bright as it looks. Okay. The meaning of this is this: the grass is not greener on the other side always. Means there's always a negative side to any aspect. So you have to write on this. Nivedita, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
The grass is not greener on the other side.
Yeah, this is basically an idiom. Okay, this means that everything is not as smooth as it seems, or everything is not as positive as it seems. Okay, but have you written on the previous topic? जो previous आपको दिया, obstacles give rise to opportunities.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So talk about that.
मैंने थोड़ा ही लिखा है मैम, ज्यादा नहीं.
हाँ लिख बताओ. हाँ बताओ. Today I gave a tough topic, that is why.
मैंने लिखा है मैम, we mind instantly fears the challenges ahead of you and begins to self-doubt, and that alone is in thought to defeat thee. But why do these obstacles catch us unguarded, and why do we have such a negative notion of them? Then every path you choose has obstacles. Even if you have done everything in your power to avoid them, you will still end up facing them. That's because we need to confront them first to overcome them. Opportunities are usually discussed as obstacles to help us on our path. Obstacles do not block our path, they are our path. बस मैंने इतना ही लिखा हुआ है।
Okay, nice. Okay. I am sharing something. देखो अभी आया क्या? I have shared a tongue twister with you. स्क्रीन पे आया? इंद्रजीत
नहीं
स्क्रीन
मैम।
पे आया आपके?
Yes, ma'am.
यस।
सचिन स्क्रीन पे आया? पीटर पाइपर?
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a
Yes,
peck of pickled peppers? If
yes.
Peter Piper picked a peck
Peter
of pickled
Piper
peppers,
pecked.
where is the peck of pickled peppers?
Yes. So this is Peter Piper, not paper. Peter Piper picked a
Peter
peck of
Piper.
pickled peppers. Yes, Peter Piper picked a
मैम
peck of pickled pepper. Pickled
What
pepper क्या होता है? This is basically a tongue twister for fluency.
yes मैम.
Yes.
Peter Piper Peter Piper picked a
Yes.
peck of pickled peppers. Did
Yes.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter
Yes.
Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Yes. Sachin, can you speak on this? Peter Piper. Sachin,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
speak on this. Yeah, Peter
Yes,
Piper.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Peter
say
Piper
the
picked
whole
a
thing.
peck of pickled
Yeah.
pepper.
Hmm.
Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers?
Peppers.
If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Peter Piper picked. Yes. What do you mean by pickled peppers? Pickled peppers का क्या मतलब होता है? खट्टा अचार.
Pickled means yes, ma'am.
खट्टा मतलब खट्टा और स्पाइसी बेसिकली. ठीक है, बेसिकली ये जो पूरा है ये टंग ट्विस्टर है. दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर एनहांसिंग योर फ्लुएंसी. ऑल द प साउंड, ऑल द पी साउंड. ओके.
पीटर क्या होता है?
या
Peter
इंद्रजीत.
is the name.
Peter is a name.
Peter is the name.
Peter Piper is a name.
Peter Piper is the
Yes,
name.
Peter Piper is a name.
Picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Yeah, Peter Piper. Yes. So, Indrajit, try this.
Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a pack of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the
Pack of
pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
pick. Yes. Now इसका सब लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए और सेव करके you have to every day you have to rehearse on this. First slowly, then fastly. इसको बेसिकली धीरे धीरे नहीं बोलते हैं, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी स्पीड में बोलते हैं. ओके. सो फर्स्ट आप इसे रोज रिहर्स करेंगे. ठीक है, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए.
मैम संगीता is also here.
संगीता.
Ma'am,
अच्छा, या यू या.
Yes, ma'am.
या ट्राई दिस. आपकी स्क्रीन पे
Yeah,
मैंने एक
ma'am.
शेयर. आप बताओ.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Peter
Yeah.
Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter
Pickled.
pick pickle pick pick
Pickled.
pepper pickled a peck of pickled pepper when the peck of pickle pepper part pepper picked.
Where is the peck?
Okay.
Where? Not where.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
एंड देन मैम
Okay.
मैं सुनाऊं जो लिखा है मैंने.
हाँ, बताओ.
often we can become a just a minute ma'am.
Yes.
Often we can become a distracted by on object
Hmm.
ob-
Hmm.
obstacle
Object.
and lost our way object and lost our way by why do these
Hmm.
obstacles catch us under
Hmm.
graded and why do we have such a negative nation of them easy part of choice
Okay.
has obstacles every if you
Hmm.
have done everything is a yours power
Okay.
to avoid them
Okay.
and opportunity are usually to help uh, us or part and action by
Hmm.
triggering
Hmm.
emotion and improve
Hmm.
your abilities
Hmm. Okay.
and that's it.
Okay. Okay. Mute yourself, Sangeeta. Mute yourself. Okay. Nivedita, take a screenshot. I'm sharing again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now there are some words which I have written on the chat. Okay. How will you pronounce these words? Difficult. Indrajit, how will you pronounce this word?
Which word?
I have written on the chat Difficult. You can write it down. I'm saying Difficult.
DIFF.
ICULT. How will you pronounce this word?
अच्छा मैम ऊपर लिखा हुआ है डिफिकल्ट.
कैसे करोगे? दोबारा से बोलो.
डिफिकल्ट.
Okay, Sachin. How will you pronounce this word?
टाइम मैम मैं दो ही देख पा रही हूँ.
No.
एक तो है दी ग्रास इज नॉट ग्रीनर
मैं
ऑन द अदर टाइम.
मैम
Wait,
स्पीक
Nivedita. हाँ जी, बोलो.
डिफिकल्ट मैम.
Difficult. Okay. Yes, Nivedita, what are you saying?
मैम मैं दो ही देख पा रही हूँ इन चैट. ओनली द ग्रास इज नॉट ग्रीनर ऑन द अदर साइड अ टाइम एंड टाइड वेट फॉर नन. दो ही चीजें है.
अच्छा, अभी मैं आपको स्पेलिंग बोल रही हूँ, आप लिखो DIFFICULT. ऊपर लिखे हुए हैं. That is called
मैम
difficult.
मैं सारे वर्ड दोबारा भेज दूं क्या?
हाँ
हाँ, दोबारा ग्रुप में भेज दो.
भेज दिया.
ओके थैंक यू.
The first pronunciation is difficult. Okay. WATR को कैसे करेंगे? Yes. WATER. Time.
वाटर.
Indrajit.
Water.
Indrajit.
वाटर
अरे
मैम
इंद्रजीत को
वाटर.
तो बोलने दो. Water. It's water. Basically, R
यस
जो है वो silent है. That is silent. Okay. It is called water.
वाटर.
Okay. Yes. THOUGHT.
थॉट.
How will you pronounce it? THO.
थॉट.
Okay. Sangeeta.
Thought, ma'am.
जिसका मैं नाम बोलूंगी उसी को बोलना है. संगीता.
Thought.
Okay. Nivedita.
थॉट मैम. थॉट.
Okay. Indrajit.
थॉट.
Okay. सचिन.
थॉट.
थॉट. इसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है दैट इज नॉट थॉट नहीं है. इट इज थ. हल्का सा
Thought.
त आएगा, नॉट थ. यस, थ नहीं आएगा,
मैम
हल्का सा त आएगा. थॉट. यस,
Thought.
थॉट.
थॉट.
Yes.
Thought.
तक थ हिंदी वाला थ नहीं आता है, ठीक है? That is
Okay, ma'am.
टी.
मैम
Yes.
थ और थ दोनों
Similar.
मिक्स करेंगे.
हाँ, मिक्स करके हमने बोलना, ठीक है? सिमिलर थिंग. Okay. Then is better. 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 Better.
Think better,
Yes.
Better.
get,
Then
can.
is get. Yes. Get.
Get.
Can't. Can't.
Can't.
Can't.
Okay.
Can't.
Yes. Next word, Sachin बोलिए.
Certificate.
Indrajit.
The certificate.
Certificate.
It's certificate. Certificate. Certificate.
Certificate.
Yes.
Certificate.
Yes.
दोबारा बोलना
T
मैम.
पे silent है. Certificate. Certificate. T silent है. Certificate.
Certificate. Certificate.
Yes. Important. Important.
Important.
Important.
Yes.
Important.
IRON कैसे बोलोगे?
Iron.
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 R is silent. Iron. Iron. R is silent. Iron.
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 Ma'am, iron
No.
and cation. Iron used in cation, ma'am. Cation
Yeah,
in
same
iron.
like that, but
Yes,
it is in English, not
Yes,
chemistry.
it is in English. Yes, same. But it is pronounced as iron, not iron. It is iron. Even British English as well as American
Yes.
English, both it is
Iron.
pronounced as iron. Yes. Next word,
Yeah.
COLLEAGUE. Next word,
Colleague.
Nivedita.
Colleague.
Colleague.
Okay.
Colleague.
Sachin.
Colleague.
Okay.
Colleague.
Sangeeta.
Colleague.
Nivedita.
Colleague.
It is colleague. Colleague.
Colleague.
No, colleague.
Or
Yes, colleague.
Like calling.
Okay.
I know.
Yes,
Colleague.
colleague. Then next word,
Entrepreneur.
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 it's
Entrepreneur.
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 Ma'am. Onter या enter.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
मैम
Okay,
इसमें
ma'am.
ओ वर्ड तो
On.
है ही नहीं.
फिर भी वैसे ही अलाउ करते हैं.
हाँ, but
Entrepreneur.
इसका जो pronunciation है वो on है. Entrepreneur.
Okay. Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Beer.
Beer.
BEER. Beer.
Beer.
POEM.
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 Nivedita.
Poem.
नहीं, it is poem.
Poem.
POM.
Poem.
Poem.
मैंने फोन के
Poem.
सुधार Poem.
Poem.
Poem
मैम जो
नहीं है.
क्लास में इंग्लिश में कविताएं होती.
POM.
हाँ.
क्लास में या?
कविताएं होती थी इंग्लिश में, उसको बोलते हैं.
पोयम नहीं बोलते. पोयम.
उसको भूल जाएंगे तो वो खत्म हो जाएगा कहानी.
Poem. Poem.
पोयम. पोयम.
Poem.
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 हाँ. अब ONION को क्या बोलेंगे?
Onion.
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 Onion नहीं. Onion. Onion.
Onion. Onion.
Yes.
Onion.
Onion.
Yes. TOMATO.
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 Right.
Tomato.
Tomato.
नहीं, tomato.
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 Yes, tomato.
मैम तो शॉर्ट में हम टोमेटो
Tomato.
बोलते हैं. टोमेटो होता है.
Basically it is
Tomato.
tomato, but हम लोग जो बोलते हैं वो टोमेटो बोलते हैं. But tomato is not correct English, क्योंकि हमारी जो होती है वो इंग्लिश ब्रिटिश है. तो ब्रिटिश में टमाटो बोलते हैं. आप वैसे कोई गलत नहीं है. टोमेटो भी बोल सकते हो. Yeah, but it is more pronounced if you say British English, so British में tomato.
मैम
tomato.
अच्छा है, ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में थोड़ी हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों मैच होके आती है, जैसे टमाटर बोलना
Yeah,
तो ऐसे आधा ऐड हो रहा
tomato. Vegetable,
Vegetable.
vegetable कैसे बोलना? अब इसमें क्या है?
Vegetable.
Vegetable, vegetable. Vegetable नहीं बोलेंगे,
Vegetable.
vegetable. जी के बाद खत्म कर
Vegetable.
देंगे, vegetable.
है।
या vegetable.
हाँ हिंदी
जी
में
के बाद
कहेंगे
आपका फुल
जब
स्टॉप आ जाएगा. Vegetable,
Vegetable.
vegetable,
vegetable. Very
vegetable.
बस मैम हम तो यहाँ पे अभी पॉज
Yeah.
लेके बोल रहे हैं वेजिटेबल, बट कंटिन्यू बोलते हैं तो ये साउंड आ ही जाता है बीच में, है ना?
नहीं आता. अगर मैं बोलूं okay, what is the vegetable that you are making? Vegetable. तो अगर हम जल्दी जल्दी बोलेंगे तो नहीं आएगा vegetable. ये आदत से होता है, vegetable
ओके
हम
मैम।
बोलते हैं generally, but vegetable होता है. Yeah. What is the vegetable that you are? अब उसको जल्दी बोलो. What's the vegetable that you are making? वो तभी आएगा जब when you start speaking more of English, then only you get these words. Otherwise वो हम लोग normal English में हम vegetable बोलते
ma'am,
हैं. So
what are
when you get
making
yes,
vegetable?
yeah, vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay. So now your homework is ऐसे ही आप कुछ words निकालोगे जो जिसकी pronunciation आपको difficult लगी है. ठीक है. ऐसे ही कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स निकालोगे फ्रॉम डिक्शनरी, फ्रॉम डेली लाइफ लैंग्वेज, जिसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपको डिफिकल्ट लगती है. लेट्स से कंफर्टेबल. सो कंफर्टेबल कैसे बोलेंगे?
Comfortable.
इट इज बेसिकली
Comfortable.
उसका जो स्पेलिंग, उसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है दैट इज COM F आता है. कंफर्टेबल, कंफर्टेबल, नॉट कंफर्टेबल, कंफर्टेबल, कंफर्टेबल.
Ma'am,
तो
congratulations.
इसका
Comfortable.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन कंफर्टेबल. यस,
Comfortable.
शॉर्ट फॉर्म करके कंफर्टेबल.
Comfortable.
यस मैम।
तो
Comfortable.
आपका होमवर्क है
Ma'am,
ऐसे ही आप कुछ वर्ड निकालेंगे. हाँ,
Ma'am, congratulations का
बोलिए.
pronunciation. Congratulations.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन का मीनिंग?
नहीं
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन,
सही हो रहा है ना?
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. या दैट इज सेम, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. अब जैसे जैसे शेड्यूल है. So some people say schedule, some people say schedule. Both of them are right. Both of them are right. Schedule is also right. Schedule is also right. Yes. Often, OFTEN. Some people say often. So that is also correct, but mainly often use hota hai. OFTEN. Often.
Often.
I'm also told. I'm also told often.
Yeah. So some people say often. American English often, but British is often.
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 Yeah.
This
so
word is
from after.
and
Yeah. What?
often in English OFTEN, right?
Yes. OFTEN.
Often.
Okay. Wednesday. Wednesday will all of you will do preposition. ठीक है. After Wednesday, we'll start with accent. Okay. After Wednesday, we will start with accent.
Accent.
जो भी हमारे एक्सेंट, जो भी हम लोग नॉर्मल अपना इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं उसमें हम लोग एक्सेंट कैसे, अपना हमारा एक्सेंट क्या होता है और फ्लुएंसी क्या होती है, उसमें डिफरेंस क्या होता है, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे आफ्टर वेडनेसडे. ओके. थर्सडे, फ्राइडे we'll do that.
And still
Wednesday we will touch preposition. What?
Ma'am, one more thing, ma'am, that you gave the message about competition.
Yes. So Wednesday or Thursday we'll have it on speaking. Okay. So everyone
Ma'am, which
from
topic?
my batch, it will be random topic. whatever till now we have done. Let's say
Right.
friends, I'll throw different small topics, like let's say reservation or women rights. Okay, so general different topics wherein you have to speak for at least 1 or 2 minutes.
But now
Ma'am,
you
it
Okay.
also
More than 2 minutes, but yeah,
ma'am,
but now you
with-
also told
yeah,
the topic is introduction,
I
friends,
can,
family, and then you
yeah.
think
So
like
I can
that.
ask you anything. Yeah. So
Hobbies
in
and
that I'll
passion.
ask you anything. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
ma'am,
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
I mean,
Indrajit, tell me.
in that competition, definitely in that competition, we definitely win if the Sachin, because of Sachin, because he is in our group, he
Because
definitely
of
have
Sachin.
lots of lines.
No, not necessary. You'll have 3 groups actually, not just one group, 3 groups. So on Wednesday or Thursday, we'll have 3 groups together.
like
Okay,
in
So
ma'am.
we'll have 3 groups together working. Yes. So you'll have at least 13, 14 people, all of you. Will be online and it will be like a debate, like a competition kind of.
Okay.
Okay.
ma'am, today is
Yeah. So
both the
now
families absent.
today,
Today both Aman is absent, na?
both Aman is absent or are absent. Both Aman are absent.
Are absent.
Sorry.
One Aman broke his cell phone. Yeah. So the new Aman broke his cell phone. So that is why he's unable to see the screen. So he'll join after 1 week when he repairs, when he gets his phone repaired. So
Oh,
his cousin, they had a fight and his cousin threw the phone. So he broke the screen. Okay, then tomorrow we'll do the same exercise of pronunciation. So get me different words if you find difficulty in pronunciation. Okay, Sachin.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Okay, and Indrajit,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
Indrajit,
Yes, ma'am.
your course, yes, your official course is ending on 2nd, but I have extended because you had I had taken some leaves, so your course has been extended to till 11th. Okay, so if anybody asks, just say that Neha ma'am has extended your course till 11th of May. So they should ask me, right?
Okay,
आपका
ma'am.
कोर्स एक्चुअल में 2 मई को खत्म हो रहा है बट मैंने एक्सटेंड कर दिया है, ठीक है, 11 मई तक. तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है तो बोलना नेहा मैम ने किया है, आप उनसे बात करिए, ठीक है.
My course, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Not your course, Sachin, Indrajit's course,
Okay.
because I had taken leave. So your course automatically you have time. So your course automatically, if whatever leaves I have taken, so वो आपका extend automatically 3-4 classes हो जाती है. So that goes for everyone. जो भी मैंने लीव्स ली हुई है पिछले बार, तो उसका आपका 3-4 क्लासेस एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा. Okay. So just a reminder, if somebody asks you that your course is ending on 2nd, say no, it is not ending on 2nd. It has been extended by Neha ma'am to 11th. Okay. Okay, then today's I'm ending the class. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow
Thank you,
get
ma'am.
me
Okay,
more
ma'am.
words of pronunciation. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.